How to delete your account from Twitter. To delete your account from Twitter, you need to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and that your app is completely up to date. Now then, to begin with, open the Twitter application, login. From the home page, simply want to go ahead and click on the profile initials from the top left corner of your screen. From the list, you go to settings and privacy from the bottom, and on this section you want to go to your account, after which you want to go to account information section. And when you go to account information section, you actually want to go to deactivate account at the bottom. Simply select that. Now over here you'll be able to see all this stuff. If you are sure about going with that, click on deactivate. In order to confirm your deletion of your account, you type in your password and click on deactivate. And within no time, you'll receive a notification stating that your account will be deactivated for 30 days, and after 30 days, your account will be deleted. So this is the way you'll be able to delete your account from Twitter. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.